course, every camper needs internet access, so today we are talking about the Veritas Van's Starlink Mini mount. This is our Starlink Mini. It is attached with some pretty powerful magnets. You kind of have to grab a hold of it and jerk up in order to get this thing to come up. I'm not sure it's not made out of Kevlar, it's so strong. Now, as we get onto the camper roof, you'll find that it is not metal. So these little adhesive metal pads go down first. It gives this a magnetic place for these feet to land, the magnetic feet that are on the bottom here. So you've got these screwable magnets that mount right here on the bottom of the Veritas. I want to rename this thing because it's just a Veritas Vans mount. It really should be considered something manly like a Kevlar mount, or a bulletproof mount. It's built out of some really strong stuff. The handle and all that is awesome. Built like a tank and very portable. So there's your Starlink Mini. And you can align it to the skies if you want to. And it's on this absolutely wonderful Veritas case. So, pretty amazing bulletproof Veritas mount. Now, some of the other things that come with it. If any other mini mounts, first of all, none of them are as strong as this one. None of them will protect your Starlink as well as this one does. That is the Starlink Mini. Veritas Kevlar. Thing is pretty stout. People's actually driving trucks over it, and it still doesn't damage the Starlink underneath it. So, really can't recommend this enough. This is an absolutely amazing, very powerful mount. And the Veritas bulletproof. It's not really bulletproof, but it feels like it is. Kevlar. Military mini mount.